to math, module 1, whole number, place value, and multiplication. What is the value of that 3? Write a term from the box that describes the value of the digit 3, shown by the description of each picture. So the speed of light, kilometers per second. So would that be pretty quick?
Yeah.
So 3 what?
100,000.
100,000. Okay, and remember, is there a THS at the end? No, because that means what? Decimal form, right? Okay, we're not in decimal form. Minimum age of the U.S. Senator in years, what would that be? 10. Distance from Miami to San Francisco in miles, 3,000. So there is an S, but not a THS because we're not in the decimals. Weight of a harbor seal in pounds, 100. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. Place value, write the digit in its place value position. So what number is in the thousands? 4. 100? 5. 10? 7. 1. 3. So let's work backwards. 1. 4. 10? 9. 100? 8. Thousands? 3. 1? 10s? 3. Hundreds? 4. Thousands? 6. Regroup through thousands. Regroup and rename the number. So we have 10, which equals what? 100. We have 1,000 and 10 hundredths, so that equals 2,000. Okay. Blank tens, 18 ones. They tell us there's 6 tens and 8 ones. So they regrouped. So instead of having 6 tens, there were what? 5. So they had 5, and then they took 10 of those ones and put them in a group together to make what? 5 plus 1, which was 6. 7 tens, 13 ones. So they're going to take how many of those ones? 10 of them and make it into another 10. So now we have a total of 8 tens and 3 ones. Okay, find the unknown factor. Blank times 4 equals 24. 6. Blank times 9 equals 27. Blank times 7 equals 56. 5 times blank equals 25. Blank 2 times blank equals 12. 8 times blank equals 32. So we did opposite, right? Multiplication, we did division. So we basically took 24 divided by 4 to get 6.